Jebel Tur, adventure. Jebel Tur. Mana kita Turkish. Assalamualaikum.
Di kailay.
Ngayon wala na mawala siya makaiway. Wala lagi chopin na siya.
Haram. Gina na haram. Gina suklak.
Hindi no ma.
Relo.
Ano siya guys?
Kasi Mr. Salim. Ini si Mr. Salim di Magug.
Dia background ni mana? Kasada.
Nya ka ambugum-bugum mam.
Ada? Ada kasada tu?
Hindi. Hoy, ini kata. Kau tahu no?
Jebel Tur adventure. Padu kau nak. Ya sebelah macam mana mak bahasa orang sama sini di bawah amin. Dia siapa aja swat-swat pula. Biar here purna. I forgot what to write. Kelas.
Kata na ako.
Kasih dulu.
Kata na way. Go to Medina. This is the Makkah place.
Ah?
You see that so many building place in Makkah. In this one, this is the
Sadik supo.
most
Sadik.
big clock in the world.
Sadik supo. Kinas sadik.
And this is the little man, little boy. Where? This is the window. So what can you see about this place?
This place so beautiful.
So beautiful?
This is holy place. Jebel Tur. Many people come here for to satisfy Allah Subhanahu wa Taala to make sunnah here of. We are here also for sunnah.
You are not
this is the place where Muhammad
you are
died
not,
when Quraysh came to him.
you are not here to taking a picture. So many picture.
We are here for adventure.
Adventure, huh? Okay.
How are you? Why are you here?
I'm here to visit the Jebel Tur and to Sunnah. This is for I forget.
Yeah.